Okay, you guys, look at this. Everything is custom. Every wire is cut and, you know, trimmed to fit every connections. So it takes a lot of time. This is the tedious part of the camper van build, is the electrical. So you can see it's a lot of components, a lot going on here. You know, you can do more organized if you do, you know, hide everything behind the wall. This kind of setup it's very hard because the bed's gonna be low, so you know, you cannot crawl underneath to you know, sit and do just like the some van builds. This system I created a little bit different, since we're trying to use the solar panels on the top as charging for everything, including the portable generator. You know, you have like the EcoFlow or the Jackery portable in battery bank. You can charge it from here without additional, you know, a portable solar panels that you can, you know, lay it out or put it somewhere under the sun. This time we're just gonna use the solar panels, you know, utilize the solar panels on the roof of the van that we have already. That's why I'm adding this additional switch right here. Battery 1, switch to 1 is gonna be charging our solar batteries here. You know, number 2, if you want to charge the portable, that's what I'm doing right now. So I think it's more convenient. I find that more convenient, since that other van over there, we don't have to plug it into to the house when we're parked. You know, the van is parked here. We just plug that in and leave it. Next day it's full. So you don't even need to take it out, in and out of the van. Okay, so, and that is easy to connect. You just need the wire, the MC4 connectors here to split it. When the solar comes, the 2 cables from the top, and you just connect to the battery selector here, and one goes to the PPT, and one just go straight to the other connection. That's all it is. It's more convenient. Okay, you guys, today I'm back at building this van. I'm trying to work a little bit each day. Been so busy. Work is also my regular work is also busy. As you know, I only build van part-time after my work. So this is about the time I get off from work, and I have a couple hours every day. And there's a lot of other stuff, you know, interfere. So we are short in aluminum, so we order more aluminum already. And then I was doing this cabinet frame. You can see using extrusion again, and instead of the angle brace, using the 90 degrees angle brace right here, I'm using the interior one, which this kind here that will be hidden inside the channel, so there's nothing to interfere, and also it will not interfere with the the cabinet door hinge when you put that, and it looks nice and clean in the front. And also I ordered and I had to go pick up from IKEA because they don't have, the delivery takes about 2 weeks, so I had to go pick up. So yesterday did not touch the van. You can see nice beautiful IKEA cabinet door here. It's a oak finish. Okay, and also I order a new external shower mixer, which is a nice chrome finish here. It's gonna be for the back. Look at that, nice finish chrome, so it's gonna look really nice. That, and then I already have the other frame, part of the frames done, and the bed on one side, the frame is done. So while waiting for the order of the more aluminum to come, I'm doing another cabinet frame for the other side. That's where we at. Not much improved since the last video. So yeah, back at it again. Slowly, but we are getting there, you guys. Today I finished the cabinets top. You can see coming out very beautiful. Okay, we just need to apply the clear coat and connect the lights. You can see very cute LED lights underneath. Okay, so cabinets ready. I'm now working on we'll just finish our plumbing part in this area. So now I am going to go ahead put the bed frame right here, so I can make the panel in the back here touching to the bed frame. Besides that, we are getting closer and closer. Just need to go Home Depot, buy more wood for the panels, and then run my plumbing to the sink, and then we can work on the sink later. Okay, getting there. start with the Home Depot today. We need wood. I'm trying to get most of everything done today. So look at these plywoods. It was like what, $36, and then it went to 78. Now it's at 74. 28. Still expensive. It's like double from before. Let's go get it done today. It's getting hot already. This is what's good about the open layout. You still can put your carry the woods and stuff when you need it. After Home Depot, Lowe's. Look at this. Even though we have small counter, but the sink is huge. This is an 18 by 14 size sink, 10 inches deep, and 4 size faucet. Look at this. Okay, hot and cold water comes out so nice. The countertop here is the inch and a half butcher block, and I stain it with cognac color and the black, so it comes out kind of it has a little bit of red inside, and coated with the clear coat, waterproof, and so shiny, so beautiful. Okay. Nice. Okay guys, getting closer and closer. Just finished, pretty much finished with the sink today. Just one more panel and waiting for the rest of the aluminum to arrive so we can do the frame for the refrigerator. And then right now I'm focusing on the finishing up the panel for where we install the water heater and the fresh water inlet and the external shower spray. So pretty much we're getting really close. You know, look how the cabinets and everything comes really nice. So thank you so much for watching. This is Bo. Hope you guys learned something. You guys have some idea from this build here, and I will see you next episode. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please share. This is Bo. Thank you.